Hello, we are playing the Stanley Parable. Something just happened that was pretty cool. Well, whatever, let's just begin the game.
This is the story of a man named Stanley.
Oh, it is? Okay, I didn't know.
Stanley worked for a company in a big building where he was employee number 427. Employee number 427's job was simple. He sat at his desk in room 427 and he pushed buttons.
That's all he did?
Orders came to him through a monitor on the desk, telling him what buttons to push, how long to push them, and in what order.
What?
This is what employee 427 did every day,
He did?
every month of every year.
That sounds boring.
Might have considered
Doesn't it?
Stanley relished every moment that the orders came in. Though he had been
Also, if any of you had played Portal 2, same creator, Valve. Let's hop right into
one
it.
day, something very peculiar happened. Something that would forever change Stanley.
What?
Something he would never quite forget.
What is it?
He had been at his desk for nearly an hour
What?
when he realized that not one single order had arrived on the monitor for him to follow. No one had showed up to give him instructions, call a meeting, or even say hi. Never in all his years at the company had this happened. This complete isolation. Something was very clearly wrong. Shocked, frozen solid, Stanley found himself unable to move for the longest time.
Oh,
But as
it's
he came to his wits
still on.
and regained his senses, he got up from his desk and stepped out of his office.
Wait 1 second. It's beeping. Oh, whatever. Okay, let's keep going. Let's go.
All of his co-workers were gone. What could it
Oh,
mean?
don't want to waste power.
Stanley decided to go to the meeting room.
Don't want to waste power.
Mr. Memo.
That's bad. So we just go through this door. Okay, we go to that door. Okay. Let's go. Wait. Let me open. What? Eh? What's that? Nah, I don't care. Let's wait. We can shut that door. Eh.
I guess this is where Stanley felt he needed to be right now, in this little hallway, here, with no distractions, to study room 417. Not to actually enter it. No. That would be far too forward.
Huh?
Stanley wanted to know it from the outside, to see it not just with his eyes, but with his heart. He would know room 417 as no man or woman had ever known an office before.
Wait.
That ladder over there. Oh, and that little picture of a horizon or something. It's all just a
I see it, it's
never-ending
right there.
parade of joy for Stanley.
Also, just one thing. You can't jump in this game. Can't jump. Tried. Just tried. Wait, what's this? I'm in it. I fits, I sits. Let's get out of it.
No,
Can
apparently
we
not.
open? No? Okay. Okay, don't get mad at me.
When Stanley came to a set of two open doors, he entered the door on his left.
Maybe the next video, maybe I'll go in there, but let's just follow his instructions.
Yet there was not a single person here either.
There wasn't?
Feeling a
Huh,
wave of
come on.
disbelief, Stanley decided to go up to his boss's office, hoping he might find an answer there.
Anything in here?
Stanley stepped into
Sniff.
the broom closet, but there was nothing here, so he turned around and got back on track.
Oh, fine. Probably not gonna say anything else. Maybe in another video I'll go in there. Maybe this.
Coming to a staircase,
I've heard that
Stanley
there's
walked
like
upstairs
there's
to
probably
his boss's
over
office.
100 endings. I don't know. I think there's over 50. I think that's it. I know there's
Stepping into
over
his manager's office,
50.
Stanley was once
I
again
think so.
stunned to discover not an indication of
It
any
is
human life. Shocked, unraveled, Stanley wondered
Ow.
in disbelief who orchestrated this. What dark secret was being held from him? What he
Just
could
guessing.
not have known was
Passwords
that
was
the keypad behind
two.
the boss's desk guarded the terrible truth that his boss had been keeping.
Maybe I
from
should
him.
like do
And so
another
the boss
number.
had assigned it an extra secret pin number.
Oh, okay.
285. 4, 5.
Oh, cool.
But
2.
of course, Stanley couldn't possibly.
It's with my
do this.
things of 2.
Critically,
It's
by
with my
simply
things of
pushing
2.
random
That's
buttons
good.
on the keypad, Stanley happened to input the correct code by
Wait, what's
sheer
gonna?
luck.
Ah,
He stepped
it
into the
opened.
newly opened
Of course it did. I pushed it again. I don't know if you're supposed to push it once or twice, but
Stanley
yeah,
realized
let's go.
he felt
Come on.
a bit peculiar. It was a
Little
stirring of emotion in his
cold.
chest, as though he
Little
felt
freezing down here,
himself
and goosebumps
question the nature of
on my goose.
this now, when
Just
to
kidding.
it
Okay,
had
let's
never
go. Let's go.
occurred to him.
Come on, faster, faster, faster. I'm very impatient. I wish you could jump in this, like most other
Stanley walked
games.
straight ahead through the large door that read Mind Control Facility.
We can go here maybe another video. Seriously, there's a lot of things, but I just want to try listening to him. So first, why am I so cold today?
The lights rose on an enormous
Whoa.
room packed with television screens. What horrible secret
How do
could
you
this
get up
place
there?
hold? Stanley thought to
Oh, who
himself.
cares?
Did he have
Really?
the strength to find out?
Can I get down there? No, you can't. Okay. Okay, here we are. What's this? A camera? I think so. Wait, what's that? What's this? Employee Observation Pro Tool. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Okay,
Now the monitors jumped around,
okay.
their true nature revealed.
Fire.
Each bore the number of an employee in a building. Stanley's the lives of so many individuals reduced to
Wait, let's try to find our office real quick. Why not?
one of them eternally monitored in this place where freedom meant nothing.
Wait, that's seriously an error screen right there. You see that right there? No, oh, I thought there's one. There's many. Wait, let's see if you can find. Oh, employee number 427 CC1. Oh, looks exactly like the office. Oh, where are we going? Let's go. Let's go. Are we going up there? See that little thing? Are we going up there? I think we are. It looks like an elevator.
This mind control facility, it was too
Let me get. Need something to cool me down. I'm poot. I'm poop.
manipulated to accept it blindly. No, he refused to believe it. He
I know we
couldn't
can.
accept it. His own life in someone
Yeah, there.
else's control.
Never.
It was unthinkable, wasn't it? Was it
I'm
even
just saying
possible?
what he's
Had
saying.
he truly spent his entire life utterly blind to the world?
Ooh,
But here was
this
the
looks
heart
cool.
of the operation. Controls
This looks
labeled with
cool.
emotions, happy or sad or content.
Wait,
Walking, eating, working, all of it monitored and commanded from this very place. And as the cold reality of his past began to sink in, Stanley decided that this machinery
do.
would never again exert its terrible power over another human life. For he would dismantle the controls once and for all.
beep 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 beep. What if I didn't though? What if I just kept pressing buttons? Nah, I guess we have to. Okay, let's go. We have to. There's a lot of endings. There's endings here. Right now. 2 endings. Right now. I bet. Let's see what On does.
You didn't just activate the controls, did you?
I did.
After they kept you enslaved all these years, you go and you try to take control of the machine for yourself. Is that what you wanted? Control?
What does that even say? I wish I
Help
knew.
for effort, I really do. But you need to understand, there's only so much that machine can do. You were supposed to let it go. Turn the controls off and leave. If you want to throw my story
No.
off track, you're going to have to do much better I'm afraid you don't have nearly the power you think you do. For example, and I believe you'll find this pertinent, Stanley suddenly realized he had just initiated the network's emergency detonation system.
Sounds
In the event
creepy.
this machine is activated without proper DNA identification, nuclear detonators are said to explode, eliminating the entire complex. How long until detonation then? Let's say 2 minutes. Ah, now this is making things a little more fun, isn't it, Stanley? It's your time to shine. You are the star. It's your story now. Shape it to your
That's it?
heart's desires.
Probably
This is
will never
much
be
better
it.
than what I had in mind. What a shame we have so little time left to enjoy it.
Ooh,
Mere
the
moments
door's
until
open.
The bomb goes off. But what precious moments each one of the lose.
And then,
More time to talk
oh,
about me. Where we're going. What all
okay, that was creepy.
where to start.
It sounds like a little, like,
You'd like to know where your co-workers are.
pressing
A moment
buttons.
of solace before you're obliterated.
Some buttons.
All right, I'm in a good mood. You're going to die anyway. I'll tell you exactly what happened to them. I erased them. I turned off the machine. I set you free. Of course, that was merely in this instance of the story. Sometimes when I tell it, I simply let you sit there in your
Enter
office
repass
window, pushing
code. Oh,
buttons
whatever.
endlessly and then dying alone.
What happens if we just, you
Other
know,
times,
press
I let
it?
the office sink into the
Okay.
ground,
Oh,
swallowing everyone
not
inside before I let
access.
it burn.
Error, 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 error.
This version
Oops. Hope that didn't, like, kill your ears. Fail safe. I like pressing buttons.
Thank goodness, only 34 seconds left. But I'm enjoying this so much. You know what? To hell with it. I'm going to put some extra time on the clock. Why not? These are precious additional seconds, Stanley. Time doesn't grow on trees.
It would be pretty funny if it did.
What's the matter, Stanley? Is it that you have no idea where you're going or what you're supposed to be doing right now? Or did you just assume when you saw that timer?
I'm
that something in
following
this
it.
room
Well,
was
it's just
capable
let
of
me know
turning
where. Okay, let's go back.
running from button to button, screen to screen, clicking on every little thing in this room. These numbered buttons.
Oops,
maybe
I was
these
already there.
colored ones, or maybe this big red button, or this door. Everything.
Or the
anything,
big red
something
button,
here
I
will
just pressed
save
the
me.
big red
What do
button.
you think that, Stanley? That this video game can be beaten? One soul? Do you have any idea what your purpose in this place is? Stanley.
I think he's starting to say I have
Sorry
no
for the
purpose.
disappointment, but here's
I think
a spoiler for you.
he is
That timer
a
isn't
bunhead.
exactly to keep the action moving along. It's just seconds ticking away to your
He
You're only
is
still
a
playing instead of
real
watching a cutscene.
bad boy.
For every
Hey,
moment
I'm
that you're
click, click,
powerless,
click, click,
to
click.
see you made
What?
This is not a challenge. It's a tragedy. You wanted to control this world. That's fine.
Console
I'm going to destroy
disabled.
it first, so
Ow! Just kidding. Goodbye, employee
That's
427.
30 seconds you have left to struggle.
Oh
30
no.
seconds until a big
30
boom
seconds, who
happens.
cares?
No ending. Just
I don't care about 30 seconds.
Will you cling desperately to your frail life?
I don't care
Or
about
will you
30
let it go
seconds.
peacefully?
It's just, I'm gonna take off my headphones. They're killing me. My headphones are seriously killing me.
And believe me,
Oh.
I will be working at every second of your
Of course.
life
You
from
take
the
this.
moment we fade in until the moment I
You
say
know, I know.
happily ever after.
And there goes the game. It's gone. I can put my headphones on again. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh, oh! Oh yeah. There you go. That's your first Stanley Parable. Sounds funny when you say it. So I'll never say it again. Okay, bye.